Hello learners, welcome to Cash Education. In this video, we'll see how to draw a scatter plot. A scatter plot is mostly used by science students for plotting points or determining the unknown value. Let's see how to make it. This is my dummy data in my Excel sheet. So I have used a typical science data of wavelength and OD's absorbance. So now I'm going to start making the scatter plot. First, you select the entire data. Then go to Insert. Under Insert, choose this scatter plot. When you click on this, you will have several options. But you will choose the one with the curved line, which is the second option. Click on it and a scatter plot will be added automatically. Now we'll see how to customize this curved line scatter plot with the addition of chart elements and changing the color. Let's change the style first. So I'm going to choose the second style. And now I'm going to add the axis titles under chart elements. So that is done. Rest all segments I am okay with. Now we are going to customize it further. We are going to change the title. You click on it and start typing. So I'm going to give the title of wavelength versus absorbance. To give a title to your axis, all you have to do is select the axis and start typing. So for the y-axis, I've chosen absorbance. For the x-axis, I've chosen wavelength. Now, the basic details are done. What I'll do is, I'll remove the horizontal lines that are there, select them and press delete on my keyboard. So it looks a little bit cleaner. Now I'm going to format my plot. So you double click on any of the points and you see that the Format Data Series tab appears. Go to Series Fill option. Under this, we have two options, line and marker. Now, line represents the curved line that is connecting all your points. So, you can change the color. I'm changing it to blue. And I think I will also increase the size. Now, we'll see if we can customize the points or the bullets that have been put. Go to marker. Marker is these points or your values that you have obtained. Click on marker options and you can click on built in. When you click on built in, you can customize it and change the way the point is appearing. So I'm going to choose the simplest circle here and I will increase the size. I will also change the color. I'll click on solid fill and I will give it a bright red color. We can also have a border for the points that are there. So I'm going to remove the border. I do not want to include it. I'll click on no line. Now I'm happy with this data series. I can clearly see my curve also and the points that I have plotted. Now I can use this to drag and increase or decrease the size of my plot area. I'll shift this to the left a little. And I can also increase the font so that the text appears bigger. So now you see that my basic scatter plot is ready. Give this a try. It is very good for science students, biology, chemistry, physics, all streams if you are wanting to plot this way. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel